Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a perfect lamb oat soup known as Shurba in East Africa. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients to make lamb oat soup: you will need a half a kg of boiled lamb meat or any other type of meat, a quarter cup of oil, 1 large carrot, 1 large onion, 1 lemon, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of mixed pilau spices, and 1 cup of oats. So the first step, I already boiled my lamb meat as you can see in the video. I boiled it using salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and some water till the meat becomes super soft. Then you're going to add these slices tomatoes, carrot and onion and stir, then cover to let it cook till the tomatoes are soft. Once the tomatoes are completely soft and juicy, add 1 cup of oats and stir while adding the oats, and make sure the heat is on low medium so that the oats don't stick at the bottom of the pot. Then you're going to add about 2 glasses of water or more depending on the thickness of the soup you want, and cover it to let the soup continue cooking. Then you'll take a quarter cup of cooking oil and add 1 tablespoon of pilau spices and mix well, and pour into the soup and stir a bit and let it continue cooking. Then lastly, squeeze 1 lemon and stir a bit and let the soup cook for at least 5 to 7 minutes in a low-medium heat. And your lamb oat soup is ready as you can see in the video. Serve on a bowl and enjoy this amazing lamb shurba. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes like this, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.